So don't go on the stage, just right before.
Ate G, nasa isang table na lang kami. Lalakad ka. Sa ano naman, ikaw na ikaw yan.
Tapos
Mag-movie daw. Oo, shooting na kami. Malapit ka? Pitching na tayo. Anytime. Sabay-sabay ka na. Sabay-sabay na.
Kaya tigil lang siya. Sabay yung sale. Tapos, pwede papapaunahin mo. Tsaka, kahit ka lang. May, punta kayo sa Mickey. Kahit ka.
Hello po. Hip hop. At sa Star Magic po. Sa inyo, si Ma'am.
Alam mo, kabisado
Si
na.
Ma'am.
Papi na, hindi ako nakatingin doon. Hindi ako nakatingin. Kilala ko na kami.
Mag-forward na lang. Ready na tayo?
Ready na tayo.
Brilliant. Wait lang po. Ready na po. Wait lang po. Wait lang po. Ini-interview ka po si ano. Wait lang. Wait lang.
May isang ano.
Isang screen lang.
Pero may Opo, yung bahay. Parang feeling nila kasi.
Alis po tayo sa likod ni Maymay.
Clear lang, clear.
Sabay interview ka rin. Wait lang.
Dito na tayo.
Lang din niya. Hindi pa tapos interview. Wait kuya.
Dito na tayo.
We all know that and we all agree with you. So are you ready? Are you ready, Mayward family? Do you want to see her? Are you excited for Marydale? Let us all welcome. How about you all to stand up as we thank the Lord for 20 years of His faithfulness in the life of our celebrant. Let us all welcome Marydale! For sharing the joy of loving someone as outrageously crazy but astoundingly lovely lady. Once again, give it up for Marydale! Maymay settle down. Thank you very much. Once again, lahat ng masaya para kay Maymay. Sumigaw! Tumili! Sumigaw ulit! Hindi tayo namimili ng lugar, we are flyers. Kung gustong magsisigaw at magtitiis, hindi okay lang. Just to let them know that we are happy for you, Maymay. Ayan. My looks lovely with her exquisite gown. And also, she was made beautiful by Eman. Ayan. And syempre, very able naman ang ating gentleman, si Edward, to escort our very beautiful lady. Once again, Meridel at Wendy now officially begins with Maymay, escorted by Edward, gracing our stage. So thank you very much. For indeed, we know that this is a special moment for Maymay. Sabi nga ni Mami Ludi, naggulat din siya. Mamaya i-interviewin natin si Maymay kung anong pakiramdam niya. Maymay! Okay, lahat ulit ng masaya para kay Maymay. Sumigaw! Lahat ng kinikilig tumilig. Meron palang kinikilig. Okay. So, Maymay, hi! Say hi to everyone. Ayan, wave lang pala. Wave hi to everyone. So, don't worry guys. Ang sasayo natin. Don't worry guys. Our official photographers are doing their job excellently, and you can look at the pictures later on. So now I would like to say hello once again to our Mayward families. How are you? Ang gaganda nyo for tonight. At alam ko na nagulat din si Maymay at si Edward. Hindi nila kayo nakilala. You all look beautiful, Mayward family, coming here and preparing to celebrate Maymay's 20th birthday. But also, aside from the Mayward family who made this possible, we would like to say good evening once again to Mama Ludi, Maymay's family. And also, we would like to say hi to, ayan, nandyan si Jimboy and everyone. Also, we would like to say hi to Mommy Kathy Barber. Where are you, Mommy Kathy? Isang wave lang po. I just want to see you. Oops! She's there. Siya? Mommy Kathy Barber? Isang kaway lang po. Ayun! May iba po nagpapanggap doon. Ayun, there's Mommy Kathy. Good evening po sa family ni Maymay at ni Edward.